Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the top 10 coolest gadgets that are incredibly worth seeing. From mind-blowing tech to super practical innovations you didn't know you needed. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's get started. 10. Ranvu AACE 3. The Ranvu AACE 3 is a cutting-edge wearable air conditioner designed to provide personalized comfort in various environments. This smart neckband utilizes advanced semiconductor technology and a dual turbine fan system to deliver rapid cooling and heating effects. It can lower ambient temperatures by up to 12.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius, and increase warmth by up to 4.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 2.5 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for both hot and cold conditions. Equipped with a 7000 mAh battery, the AACE 3 offers impressive battery life, approximately 12 hours in fan mode, 6 hours in cooling mode, and up to 6.5 hours in heating mode. It also supports pass-through charging, allowing users to charge the device while using it. 9. Astro AA50. The Astro AA50 is a high-end wireless gaming headset known for its superior audio quality, comfort, and versatility across multiple platforms, including PlayStation, Xbox, and PC. Designed with serious gamers in mind, it features Dolby Audio, which delivers rich, immersive surround sound, making in-game environments feel more lifelike. The AA50's wireless base station ensures a lag-free connection, offering seamless audio performance without the clutter of cables. Its battery life extends up to 15 hours on a single charge, suitable for long gaming sessions. The headset also includes a flip-to-mute, adjustable boom microphone that provides crystal-clear communication, essential for multiplayer coordination. Comfort is a major highlight, thanks to its lightweight frame and soft ear cushions that reduce fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the AA50 comes with customizable EQ settings, allowing users to fine-tune audio profiles to their preference through the Astro Command Center software. 8. Tobinun Docking Station. The Tobinun Docking Station is a versatile and efficient solution designed to expand the connectivity of laptops and other USB-C compatible devices. Known for its compact design and wide compatibility, the Tobinun Docking Station allows users to connect multiple peripherals simultaneously, transforming a simple laptop into a fully functional workstation. Most models include a variety of ports such as HDMI, USB-A, USB-C, Ethernet, South Dakota card slots, and audio jacks, enabling users to connect monitors, external hard drives, keyboards, and other accessories with ease. This is particularly beneficial for professionals working from home, in offices, or on the go, as it reduces cable clutter and streamlines workflow. Tobinun docking stations typically support dual or even triple monitor setups with high-resolution output. 7. Retractable clothesline. A retractable clothesline is a convenient and space-saving solution for drying clothes, particularly useful in homes with limited outdoor or indoor space. This device consists of a housing unit that contains a length of line, which can be pulled out and hooked onto an opposing wall or post when in use. Once the clothes are dry, or the line is no longer needed, it can be retracted back into the housing, keeping the area tidy and clutter-free. Retractable clotheslines come in single or multiple line options, and are often made of durable materials like stainless steel or PVC-coated nylon, which resist weather and wear. They are ideal for apartments, small yards, balconies, or laundry rooms, offering flexibility without the bulk of traditional drying racks or permanent lines. Installation is typically easy. 6. Portable Theater System, Sony HT-AX7. The Sony HT-AX7 is an innovative portable theater system that redefines home audio by combining flexibility, immersive sound, and sleek design. Unlike traditional soundbars, the HT-AX7 comprises a main speaker unit and 2 detachable rear speakers, all of which are wirelessly connected. This modular setup allows users to position the speakers around the room to create a 360-degree spatial sound experience. At the heart of the HT-AX7 is Sony's proprietary 360 spatial sound mapping technology, which, when combined with the UpMixer algorithm, transforms stereo content into three-dimensional surround sound. This creates the sensation of sound emanating from all directions, enveloping the listener in a cinematic audio environment. Designed for convenience, the system boasts up to 30 hours of battery life, ensuring extended playback without frequent recharges. A quick 10-minute charge provides approximately 2.5 hours of use, making it ideal for spontaneous gatherings. 5. Asus ProArt Studio Book 16. The Asus ProArt Studio Book 16 is a powerful laptop designed specifically for creative professionals who demand top-tier performance and visual precision. Featuring a stunning 16-inch OLED display with a 3.2K resolution and a 16:10 aspect ratio, it delivers exceptional color accuracy and detail, making it ideal for photo editing, 3D design, and video production. The laptop is powered by high-end processors, including options like the Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 9, paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, allowing it to handle intensive tasks such as rendering and animation effortlessly. With support for up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and dual 8TB SSDs, it offers impressive speed and ample storage for large projects. Its signature Asus DL adds a layer of precision control, ideal for creative software workflows. While the battery life may be limited under heavy loads. 4. Helios Touch Wall Light. The Helios Touch Wall Light is an innovative modular lighting system that transforms any wall into an interactive canvas. Comprising hexagonal LED panels, each equipped with capacitive touch sensors, the system allows users to illuminate specific areas by simply touching or swiping across the panels. The magnetic connectors between the tiles enable easy rearrangement, offering endless design possibilities to suit various spaces and moods. This touch-sensitive feature not only adds a dynamic visual element, but also enhances user engagement, making it a functional and aesthetic addition to any room. Designed for versatility, the Helios Touch system can be expanded to accommodate 3. Anker Mag Go 3-in-1 Charger. The Anker Mag Go 3-in-1 wireless charging station offers a sleek and efficient solution for powering multiple Apple devices simultaneously. Designed with MagSafe compatibility and Qi 2 certification, it delivers up to 15W charging for iPhones and 5W each for AirPods and Apple Watch. The foldable design enhances portability, making it ideal for travel or compact spaces. Additionally, Anker's Active Shield 2.0 technology monitors temperatures to ensure safe charging. However, some users have reported concerns regarding its build quality. The vertical stand design, while space-saving, may feel flimsy, and the charging pads can heat up quickly, potentially causing discomfort during use. Additionally, the strong magnets intended to hold devices in place can make one-handed removal challenging, leading to potential instability. In summary, the Anker Mag Go 3-in-1 wireless charging station combines convenience and fast charging capabilities. 2. Time Kettle WT2 Edge. The Time Kettle WT2 Edge is a pioneering pair of real-time translation earbuds designed to bridge language barriers effortlessly. Equipped with hybrid COM trademark technology, these earbuds offer bidirectional simultaneous translation, allowing two users to converse naturally without waiting for turns. They support over 40 languages and 93 accents, covering approximately 85% of the global population. The earbuds feature 4 translation modes: Simul, Touch, Speaker, and Listen, each tailored to different communication scenarios. Simul mode facilitates continuous, real-time conversation between two users, while Touch mode allows users to tap the earbuds to activate translation. 1. 5-Ray M20C. The Zhiyun 5-Ray M20C is a compact and powerful 20W RGB LED light designed specifically for content creators who need portable yet high-quality lighting. Weighing only 220 grams and measuring 110 x 110 by 40 mm, this lightweight device easily fits into any camera bag, making it ideal for on-the-go shooting and outdoor filming. One of its standout features is the wide adjustable color temperature range from 2500K to 10,000K, allowing users to adapt to various lighting environments effortlessly. It also boasts excellent color accuracy. And there you have it, top 10 coolest gadgets that are incredibly worth seeing. Which one was your favorite? drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the coolest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.